Hello, we are in the 7th floor of residential Big Grand Park Bosques, Tower 4. That is the clubhouse of this residential. And this is the terrace of this apartment. This terrace has 27 meters. This is one of the biggest terraces in the different types of apartments of Big Grand. And the apartment is 330 square meters. This apartment has 4 bedrooms. This is the social area for the dining room and the living room. The ceilings are 320. This apartment has 4 parking spaces and 1 storage. Okay, let's go and visit the other areas. The elevator opens directly to the apartment. And you go through the elevator directly to your parking spaces. This is the kitchen and service area, and over there you have the family and the 4 bedrooms. Let's visit first the kitchen and service area. This door over here takes you to the service escalator, the service elevator. And over here you have a big space for your laundry and a room for the service people with the bathroom. You can get to the family room from the kitchen or from the door over there from the elevator. Let's go now from the kitchen. You have a very big space for the family room. Here you have half bathroom for visits. And this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own bathroom and walk-in closet. We don't have light, no, but well, this is the walk-in closet of this secondary bedroom. And please come to visit the other bedrooms. This is the secondary bedroom. And over here we have the third secondary bedroom and the master. As you can see, all the bedrooms and all the spaces, no, even the service spaces, has good light and good ventilation. This is the bathroom of the third secondary bedroom. All with walk-in closet. We don't have light. Sorry, I can. It's a little dark over inside there, but electricity. We don't have the electricity connected yet. This is the master. With a nice view to the clubhouse. The clubhouse has a beautiful restaurant in the third floor, a spa, 2 swimming pools, an amazing kids club. The sport area is very big and complete. The master has a big space so that you can do the walk-in closet according to your requirements. The area is big enough. So, this is it, 7th floor, apartment of 4 bedrooms in Big Grand Park Bosques.